Well, this is the tube. This is the tube of Catch Me If You Can. Catch Me If You Can. I don't know. We're back. Yeah. Okay. 8 o'clock, yeah. Yeah. It's going to get busy, I guess. So I'm here at the Paris Cafe at the TWA Hotel at Kennedy Airport. It's June 26, 2022. On our way to Honolulu. All right. So it's nice and cool here. That's what you wanted. And we're at the Lisbon Lounge, TWA Hotel.
Fish and chips.
So we're here at the Paris Cafe in the Lisbon Lounge. What do you have to say? You have to say anything about this? All right, so this is a Bud Light. And we have a cheddar cheeseburger coming. And fish and chips. And no sides because they got french fries. All right. That's pretty good. The nice glasses they have hanging up there. Here at the Lisbon Lounge. Right? So what do you have to say? Anything?
Is it the journey or the destination?
I don't know. So far things ain't going so good. There's your fish and chips. There's the cheeseburger, which is pretty good size. And it came with a tin of french fries. Here we are at the Paris Cafe, where it cost us $67.50.